What if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful, actionable method to transform your financial worries into a magnet for abundance and pave your way to true financial freedom? Yes, you heard that right. In just a few minutes, you're going to learn the 3-step surrender method, a technique that's helped countless people shift their financial reality almost overnight. Let's get started. The first step in the 3-step surrender method is to accept and surrender. Now, I know this might sound counterintuitive, but stay with me. When financial anxiety hits, maybe it's that sinking feeling when you look at your bank account or the panic about paying bills. Instead of running from it or trying to suppress it, I want you to fully accept and surrender to it. Think about it. When you're in the middle of a storm, you wouldn't fight the wind, right? You'd brace yourself and let it pass. The same principle applies to anxiety. This acceptance is the first crucial step in transforming that energy. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine you're standing on a beach and you see a massive wave heading straight for you. If you stand still or try to resist, that wave will knock you over, leaving you disoriented and overwhelmed. But if you take a deep breath and dive into the wave, you pass through it and emerge on the other side, unharmed and ready for what's next. Financial anxiety is just like that wave. By accepting and surrendering to it, you're not letting it knock you down. You're moving through it with intention and control. When that anxiety creeps in, maybe it's triggered by an unexpected expense, a debt reminder, or just the overwhelming feeling of not having enough. Pause for a moment. Don't try to push the anxiety away. Instead, acknowledge it. Feel it. Say to yourself, I see you, anxiety, and I accept you. This simple act of recognition can be incredibly powerful. It's like shining a light on a shadow. The fear starts to lose its power over you. Surrendering doesn't mean giving up. It means letting go of the resistance that often makes the anxiety feel so much worse. It's about allowing the feeling to be there without judgment. It's like saying, okay, anxiety, you're here. I'm not thrilled about it, but I'm not going to fight you. This acceptance is a form of self-compassion and opens the door for healing and transformation. By accepting and surrendering, you're not just passively enduring the anxiety. You're actively engaging with it in a way that disarms its intensity. You're telling your mind and body that it's safe to feel this way, that you don't need to run or hide. This mindset shift can significantly reduce the emotional charge of the anxiety, making it more manageable. Remember, the goal here isn't to eliminate anxiety entirely, that's a part of the human experience, but to change your relationship with it. By accepting and surrendering, you take the first step towards transforming financial anxiety into a tool for growth and abundance. Now, you might be wondering, what comes next after acceptance? That's where the breathing protocol comes in, but we'll get to that in a moment. For now, let's practice the art of acceptance. The next time you feel that wave of financial anxiety coming, don't brace against it. Dive into it with acceptance, and you'll find yourself on the other side, ready for the next step. This approach is not just theoretical. It's been practiced and validated by many who have successfully shifted their financial realities. The acceptance and surrender phase is about grounding yourself in the present moment, acknowledging your fears without letting them control you, and preparing yourself for the transformative steps that follow. So, let's move forward with this newfound perspective and get ready to neutralize that anxiety through our next powerful tool, the breathing protocol. Now that we've embraced the first step of accepting and surrendering to our financial anxiety, let's move on to the second step, the breathing protocol. This step is essential for neutralizing that anxious energy and transforming it into something calmer and more manageable. Here's how the breathing protocol works. Begin by inhaling deeply, focusing your attention on the area where you feel the anxiety the most. For many, this is around the solar plexus, the region between your chest and stomach. Imagine drawing in a calming, healing energy with each breath. As you breathe in, feel that energy gathering in the tense areas of your body. Next, as you exhale slowly, visualize the anxious energy leaving your body through your mouth. Make a whooshing sound as you exhale, helping to release that tension and stress. With each breath out, feel the anxiety dissipate, like a fog lifting from your mind and body. Repeat this process, maintaining your focus on your breath and the area of tension. Allow the anxiety to flow out of your body with each exhale. This isn't just about taking deep breaths, it's about consciously using your breath to transform and release the physical manifestation of your anxiety. When you inhale, picture gathering all that anxious energy into a ball. As you exhale, imagine that ball dissipating into the air, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. Let's do a quick practice together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 5, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth with a whooshing sound. Repeat this a few times. Feel how the tension in your body starts to release. This practice helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms your body's stress response. The beauty of this breathing technique is that it's quick and can be done anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at work, at home, or even in the middle of a stressful situation, taking a moment to breathe deeply can help you regain your calm and center yourself. By practicing the breathing protocol regularly, you're training your body to respond differently to stress and anxiety. Over time, you'll find that you can neutralize anxious feelings more quickly and efficiently, allowing you to maintain a state of calm and focus, even in challenging situations. Now, with your anxiety neutralized, it's time to shift your focus to something more empowering. This brings us to the third step of the three-step surrender method, the focus shift. This is where the magic happens, as you redirect your attention from anxiety and fear to abundance and gratitude. Stay with me, and I'll show you how to harness this powerful technique to transform your financial reality. After neutralizing your anxiety with the breathing protocol, it's crucial to immediately shift your focus to what you want and what you're grateful for. This step is transformative because it helps rewire your brain to focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Here's how you can do it effectively. Start by making a gratitude list. Write down everything you're thankful for, no matter how small. Gratitude has a powerful effect on your mindset, shifting your focus from what you lack to what you already have. It could be as simple as appreciating the roof over your head, the food on your table, or the support of your loved ones. By acknowledging these positives, you create a foundation of abundance in your life. Next, visualize your goals. Close your eyes and picture your financial success in vivid detail. See yourself living your dream life, achieving your financial goals, and experiencing the freedom that comes with abundance. Engage all your senses in this visualization. Feel the excitement, see the vibrant images, hear the sounds associated with your success. This vivid imagery helps to anchor your mind in a state of abundance. Then, speak affirmations. Affirm your financial intentions out loud, using present tense language. Say things like, "I am a money magnet. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly." These affirmations are powerful because they reinforce your new, positive beliefs about money and abundance. Finally, take inspired action. Even small steps toward your financial goals can build momentum and reinforce your new mindset. The key is to take action from a place of faith rather than fear. This could be anything from setting up a savings plan, investing in a course to enhance your skills, or even starting a side hustle. The important thing is to move forward with confidence and a belief in your ability to create financial abundance. Think of your mind as a garden. Anxiety and fear are the weeds, while gratitude and positive intentions are the flowers. By consistently weeding out the anxiety and planting seeds of gratitude and positive intentions, your garden starts to flourish. This shift in focus is not just a mental exercise, it's a powerful practice that can change your entire financial reality. When you consistently redirect your focus from fear and lack to abundance and gratitude, you start attracting more of what you want into your life. Your mindset shifts, your actions become more aligned with your goals, and you begin to see real, tangible changes in your financial situation. By applying the focus shift regularly, you're training your brain to look for opportunities and solutions rather than problems and obstacles. This proactive, positive mindset is what sets successful people apart. They don't ignore their challenges. They face them head-on with a belief that they can overcome and thrive. Now let's tie everything together. You've learned to accept and surrender to your anxiety, neutralize it with the breathing protocol, and shift your focus to abundance and gratitude. These three steps form a powerful method that can transform your financial reality. But don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself. Start tonight and watch how your life begins to change. Remember, true financial freedom starts from within. So embrace these steps, practice them consistently, and get ready to shift your financial reality tonight. The three-step surrender method is a powerful tool for manifesting money by addressing the root causes of financial anxiety and transforming them into positive energy and actions. By fully accepting and surrendering to financial anxiety, you acknowledge and disarm its power, creating a mental space for positive change. The breathing protocol then neutralizes this anxiety, calming the mind and body and preparing you for focused action. Shifting your focus to gratitude and your financial goals rewires your brain to concentrate on abundance rather than scarcity, fostering a proactive and positive mindset. Managing anxiety is crucial for financial success because anxiety often paralyzes decision-making and stifles creativity, leading to missed opportunities and poor financial choices. When anxiety is managed through the three-step surrender method, it transforms into a motivating force. This new state of calm and clarity allows you to see opportunities clearly and take calculated risks, fostering financial growth and success. Specific outcomes you can expect include a noticeable reduction in financial stress, improved decision-making capabilities, and an increased ability to spot and seize financial opportunities.